Welcome to SiMUSEUM demonstration video. What is SiMUSEUM? SiMUSEUM is a powerful, easy-to-use process simulation software package, highly specialized in helping the management of tour-based institutions to visualize and improve operation process. SiMUSEUM is the one-stop solution to operation schedules, service resource allocation, and customer wait time forecast.
As we get to know our client, we figure that they're facing and trying to solve a few problems. First, they're concerned about the low satisfaction feedback from the museum visitors. They found that visitors' satisfaction is highly correlated with their waiting time for tour guides to be available. Customer satisfaction feedback is crucial to our client, since this is how visitors may repay their visit and spread good word to attract more visitors. In addition, our client is also trying to allocate human resources effectively. They wish to know the optimal tour guides needed throughout the museum in order to minimize the cost and still meet the demand for their business. Most importantly, our client wish not to solve these problems in the traditional way. Rather, they hope to get solutions that could be implemented immediately to drive profitable value to the museum.
Now I will take you through a live demo. Here's our welcome page. By clicking Get Started button at the bottom of the page, it leads you to our simulation page. This is our user input area, allowing users to input how long do they want to run the simulation for. Below are 4 active areas for the users to input their depth file. The preference array input is a 2-dimensional array of probabilities for each customer type to determine which section they will visit next. Type array, which go hand in hand with the preference array, is used to determine the arrival probability of a particular customer type. The tour time is a deterministic array specifying how long each section will take the customer to visit. And finally, the users may also specify the desired number in each group. Below, users can also input their desired number of tour guides at different sections. They may adjust this value during different trials in order to do sensitivity analysis. And finally, the maximum threshold level allows the users to specify the maximum amount of wait time they want to set for a specific section. Now we are on the results page. Under the Satisfaction Control tab, there are various statistics displayed in the table, namely maximum wait time, average wait time for sections, and satisfaction control gamma. It should be noted that for a specific section, if the majority of customers are satisfied with the current threshold wait time, then this value is 1. Otherwise, it will be 0. Under the second tab is our confidence interval. It shows the confidence interval of various sections after we run it for multiple times. And finally, under our third tab are our visitor counts. It is easy to see that 297 customers have been through the system. The users may also specify one particular type of customers to be the fast pass holders, such that they preempt all the regular customers. Below are the real-time group waiting times. Results are displayed in real time, and the users may check if the plots are smooth. If they see occasional spikes, that means that section needs some adjustment. And finally, we also record the total number of FastPass holders and the total number of visitors.
Our model has many useful features. As suggested previously, users can customize the model by changing the operation hours the number of tour guides at each section, as well as other inputs to model different scenarios. In addition, instead of using a predetermined route for each customer, we develop a random route generation process that generates the next section a customer goes to after they finish visiting one section based on their preference distribution. This process gives us more flexibility to model more realistic and complicated settings in the future. For example, we can take into account the wait time of each section so that when a customer finishes visiting one section, he will not only consider its preference, but also the relative wait time to determine which one he wants to go next. Moreover, our model can track the total number of visitors in the museum, as well as their individual wait time at each section. And by changing the wait time threshold, users are able to evaluate customer satisfaction score based on their own standard. Of course, as you just saw, our system can generate data graphs and result reports that will be helpful for further analysis.
Now discuss the business opportunity and value that our simulation product offers. First, businesses can forecast wait time by section and identify bottlenecks to lower customer satisfaction, essentially the sections with the longest waiting time. Second, we allow for tour guide staffing and work schedule optimization by giving businesses the ability to see how many tour guides are necessary in a particular section to achieve a certain customer satisfaction level. This allows them to make hiring and training decisions in advance. Third, businesses can analyze past trends and measure improvements using the reports and graphs that are model outputs. They can then use these reports and graphs to fairly evaluate the performance of each section. Finally, we allow for customer segmentation by giving users the ability to input different customer preference distributions for each customer type. This allows them to come up with customized ticket offerings for each customer type.
With that, I would like to conclude our presentation. For further inquiries about our product, please contact us at simuseum12@gmail.com.